Samba. Now, what's somebody way about Samba? They get moon, they say. I'm moving about some kind of something Congo Brazza before. Who is Ghana? Okay. Okay. The game should be. This is what we are going to find, rather. This is how we are going to come Kavika Kra, as I said, Kotoko within 4-3. Kotoko, and it does also say, somebody in the team commit me, I qualify.
Qualified, they may qualify, but I'm quite here for this because they said, go no, they are the retreat of what I am going to move. So when I continue to change the war, I'm anti-as set up a green Makuba no Pia small one for sure, and the Niabri. I have this can be Tisako. As I take a deal, no, say, come.
Over Ghana, I'm PSC.
Oh, medium, Papa, Mama. I am from the corner. I'm a senior. And I
right, Samba on their fans. Fantastic. Yes, Samba. Say something.
The game is very top game. You can see every place give all of them off behalf. Yeah, we are very happy for winning game, and we have to do better. Second game.
For Nigeria, they go score them.
Beat them.
Yeah, we go Nigeria.
Thank you.
Media best station, then they go.